Welcome. What we're going to do in this channel, we're going to look at the new technologies and combine them to make something useful out of them. It's going to be a science fiction sort of thing. It's going to be all sciencey and fiction, and this will give ideas to people who are working in practicing these things. Maybe we can stimulate ideas and things like that. So the first thing we're going to start with is let's close this first. We're gonna look at today. We're gonna start. We're gonna use two technologies. The first one is gonna be transparent aluminium, and transparent aluminium is a thing. So it's aluminium, which is a metal, but it is transparent. It's called aluminium oxynitride. This aluminium oxynitride is glass. It's just glass, but it is metal, and it doesn't break. And you can make, for example, a huge tank of water with 1 inch thick aluminium glass, and it won't break. It's resistant to bullets. It's bulletproof, so it's very strong, and this can be used in spaceships. That's the second thing we're going to be talking about is spaceships. And in order to power a spaceship, we're going to use fusion power. And fusion power is a thing that is going to be available within a few years. It's going to be compact. As I said, this is a science fiction, and fusion power is a proposed form of power generation that would generate electricity. Okay, now that we know the two things that we're going to be using, let's draw a little diagram just to explain what our idea. Let's get something. So we have fusion, and we have transparent aluminium. And we're going to have a spaceship. It's going to be a circular spaceship like Star Trek. It's going to have 4 engines at the bottom. 4 engines. And these 4 engines are going to be fusion powered, and they're gonna create thrust that's going to lift the engine. And we're going to have panels here. Let's take another color. Let's take red. Okay, we're going to have panels here that are made up of transparent aluminium. So yeah, so this might give an idea to people. This is just the first initial mindstorming to find some new uses for these new technologies before they even start. So this channel is going to be about new technologies. We're going to look at new technologies and see about how we can apply them. Okay? Bye.